Hey everybody, welcome to my first look of my master-built 1050 gravity-fed smoker and the first cook.
A little drawer for the plug-in and probe. Wi-Fi controller. Table. This is the 1050. A lot of room. I don't know if you could get just how big this thing is. Big. Smoke barbecue grill. Sear. Hopper. Fence. Door to get the ashes out. That's where you put your fire starter, I guess, to get the charcoal. So that's that. And these have a smoke side. Let me flip it. And a sear side. Interesting. Can't wait to see what the difference is. More surface area and less, I guess. All right. Hey guys, pretty exciting day. I'm about to take my master-built 1050 smoker out for my maiden voyage. Got this for Christmas for my wife. Pretty excited. So, if you saw the unboxing video, I had to redo some rivets that were broken during install or shipping. I'm going to be seasoning this today. So I got to take off all this. All these advertisements came on it that were glued to it, so gotta take off all this double-sided putty tape. Make sure to take off all that stuff. Then I will be starting it up with fire starter in the cabinet. I'm gonna have it on 200 for half an hour, then bump it up for another hour. Hopefully burn off all this kind of stuff, little plastics. And all the oils that came on things. I don't know if you can tell from that, but that's coated in oil. So it takes off all the factory stuff, gives it a coat. Seasoning at the moment, the 1050. Got her rolling, trying to get up to 200. Sides pulled out, hamper about half full. Just kind of waiting half an hour, and then I'm gonna crank it up to 400 for an hour. So far, so good.